watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the natural beauty of pine cones for fall decor. Pine cones are a simple yet timeless way to bring a rustic touch to your home this season. Whether you're decorating for the holidays or just want to add a cozy fall atmosphere, these 15 charming pine cone ideas will inspire you to get creative. Pinecone wreath. A classic pinecone wreath is a beautiful way to welcome guests. You can leave the pine cones natural or spray paint them for a more customized look. Hang it on your front door or above your mantel. Pinecone centerpiece. Create a simple fall centerpiece by filling a wooden bowl or basket with pine cones. Add some dried leaves or small pumpkins for an extra autumn touch. Pinecone garland. Stringing pine cones together with twine creates a rustic garland. You can hang it across your fireplace mantle, on the wall, or even around the staircase for a cozy fall vibe. Pine cone candle holders. Use pine cones to make beautiful candle holders. Just glue the pine cones around the base of a candle or place them in a shallow dish for a lovely autumn centerpiece. Pinecone vase filler. Fill a clear glass vase with pine cones for an easy fall decoration. You can mix in other natural elements like acorns or cinnamon sticks for added texture. Pinecone table settings. Place a pine cone on each plate or napkin at your fall dinner table. It's a simple, natural way to dress up your place settings without too much fuss. Pinecone picture frame. Glue pine cones around the edges of a simple picture frame. It's a unique way to display your favorite fall memories and adds a rustic touch to your decor. Pinecone and burlap wreath. Combine pine cones with burlap ribbon to create a charming rustic wreath. It's perfect for hanging on your front door or indoors for a warm, welcoming feel. Pinecone topiary. Glue pine cones to a styrofoam cone to create a fall topiary. You can display it on your entryway table or as part of your living room decor. Pinecone place card holders. Use small pine cones as place card holders for your next fall gathering. It's a simple and charming way to make your guests feel special. Pinecone bird feeders. Turn pine cones into bird feeders by covering them with peanut butter and birdseed. Hang them outside to attract some feathered friends while adding a bit of natural decor to your outdoor space. Pinecone fireplace decor. Decorate your fireplace by placing pine cones in a large basket or arranging them on the mantel. Add some small candles or garlands for a finished look. Painted pine cones. For a fun twist, try painting your pine cones. White, gold, or even muted fall colors can create a unique look that adds some personality to your fall decor. Pinecone ornaments. Start preparing for the holidays by making pinecone ornaments. Add some ribbon and hang them around your home for a festive touch that blends fall and winter decor. Pinecone wall art. Arrange pine cones in a shadow box or on a wooden board to create unique wall art. It's an affordable and easy way to add some rustic charm to your home. Thanks for joining me today as we explored 15 simple yet charming pinecone decor ideas for fall. Pine cones are such a versatile and affordable way to bring the beauty of the season into your home. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fall decor inspiration. See you in the next one.